Let's
Hello.
fucking go.
Yes. Okay, so I just want to know, and I want an answer to this, that is it only me or has my algorithm gone for a toss that I'm getting Ravigation reels? I mean, what has happened to my algo?
It's not just you, it's all of us. It's all of us. After Salmon Boy, it's him.
I'm getting Ravigation reel right and left. And he's been declared as Brad Pitt of Bihar.
Bihar?
And that one song, one Punjabi song that keeps on playing, I forgot that song, but some Chodbanga song that keeps on playing. I mean, can't be only me.
It's literally all of us. It's literally all of us. You know how one time people actually went like Lord Bobby, and it's Brad Pitt of Bihar. And he's saying, जो ये नीट का न्यूज़पेपर लीक हुआ है,
Need Akbar.
मीट अखबार. Oh boy. And oh my god. The way he's pouting his pout. You know, you've seen that meme that Ravi
Yes,
Kishan's pout is hotter than Bebo.
yes. I think
God.
seen every shades of him in the last few days ever since the protest has started. I don't know why I'm only getting, so this these are like two things at the end of the tunnel. Okay, one at one end it's protest meme, at the other end it's Ravi Kishan meme.
Yeah.
I'm enjoying both.
Both ends, definitely, because at the end of the tunnel there's light on both ends.
Yes.
My god. And for some reason this one song is stuck in my head since yesterday. Na 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 city I'm wanted. Na 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 Salman Khan. Sonam, it's done, bro. What did he say?
This Sonam, it's done, bro. Don't extend it.
Oh my god. And people are like relating it to like it was like had so much fun something that had to do it twice. And then people are saying the first time he went to Gokuldam Society for Tapu Sena, had so much fun the first time, had to do it twice. But
I
yeah,
mean,
Ravi Kishanji is in everyone's algo. He is.
हमारा नेता कैसा हो रवि किशन जैसा हो.
My Jordan. Poonam
Yeah.
was really literally. She texted me. I have just the right opener for the pod, and I was expecting like something very like, very like poised and chic. And she's go like Brad Pitt of Bihar. Let's go, bhai. Let's go. That's how you know episode 26 is for the role.
Yeah. And you know what? I was practicing this question because I thought it has to be so perfect.
Oh my god. Oh bhai.
I
Oof.
even posted that Brad Pitt of Bihar for a reason. And then one guy from Bihar, he texted me that dude, he's from UP. I said, I don't care. I'm getting this information from Reel only.
It's so funny how reels have become the source of information, no? Yeah, and it's so funny because like today morning I was sitting as sahi mein I had hit that Ankh pose. I was in the balcony, my coffee was in my hand, and I was scrolling Instagram like a newspaper. I had hit the Ankh pose. I'm not even kidding. And it's not like I'm watching like recreational stuff on Instagram. No.
No,
News.
that's so true. Yeah.
Oof.
But hats off to all the protester for the funniest reels ever. I mean, I've lost my words because all the reels, all the memes they have created are so hilarious and so on point. Have you seen that one reel wherein that one guy? So it's like the girl is asking him out. Okay. So girl is like, Khana khane chalega? He's like, no. Date pe chalega? He's like, no. Then she asked that protest pe chalega lathi khane? And then he said yes. And then there that song, that one song, yeah. इश्क दे फनियर लड़ गए मेरे जान के
Ding ding
पीछे.
ding 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 ding. You know, like actually, as you all know, everything aside, the kind of digital content that has come up with all of these, like the banners people have went with, the kind of oh my god, I mean, really, it's really. I read this one meme. It was called something like that. क्या था इंट्रोवर्ट्स ये क्या ये भूल क्यों रहे हैं हम दोनों
सही में
छोड़ो
इतना
भाई काट ही दो मेरे को तो
परफेक्ट.
याद ही नहीं आ रहा है क्या बोल रहा था वो इंट्रोवर्ट एनीवेज yeah the kind of digital content that has come up I mean hats off
I
yeah
all our love to them, all
Hmm.
our wit to them, all the humors are for them only.
सही में भाई, सही में, it was crazy. It was crazy. Like this month, kind of things that went down. It was indeed crazy, bhai.
It is.
Manfredi was indeed in Gatorade.
Yeah, for sure. And I think for the first time ever, we have gotten a protest which is so full of life. I mean,
Hmm.
the all the protests that has been done before,
Hmm.
every one of them were very serious. The last one, I think, the biggest one Anna Hazare one, right? So serious and पूरा एकदम घुस गए सब.
Hmm.
This particular one, bhai. I love this generation. I
I
love us.
loved it.
I
Yeah.
love every one of them.
Yeah. I mean, crazy stuff. Crazy stuff for real.
Crazy.
That's
Why?
that's all we can say. Crazy stuff for real.
Yeah. That one poster one girl made and she wrote with Modi's picture, कुछ पूछो बात करो ना हमसे.
अरे हाँ, एक तो दिस कुच्चू पुच्चू रील्स आर सो, कुच्चू पुच्चू आप सो गए हो क्या? कुच्चू पुच्चू आप मेरे से बात कर लिया करो, कुच्चू पुच्चू मुझसे बात करो, कुच्चू पुच्चू आपको मेरी याद आ रही है ना, कुच्चू पुच्चू.
Oh my god.
भाई
Another
80.
was Modi ji with his nails and his nails are done and नीचे लिखा है diva energy only.
Yeah, I know which one you're talking about. I got it. Oh my god, my god. But
Lovely.
yeah, oh my god. It's so funny that every time we think of this, the two words coming out are oh my god, crazy. Oh my god,
Crazy.
crazy, crazy. You know how Samay goes crazy.
Crazy.
Crazy, yeah. For me, the most goated one was that only, that he's went to Gokuldam Society for Tappu Sena to like work on the hunger strike.
Bhai. You know what else is crazy?
I know, but let our listeners also know, na?
शिल्पा जी आप ये नहीं कर सकते. शिल्पा जी आप नहीं खाना खा सकते हो. आप प्रीमियम ट्रेन नहीं ऑर्डर कर सकते हो.
शिल्पा जी, आपको लगता है ये दोनों शिवांगी और हर्षद, ये दोनों आप पे चढ़ेंगे? ये दोनों आपसे लड़ेंगे? आपसे शिल्पा जी?
श्रेया तुमको खाना खाना है, सॉरी बोलो.
चलो एक काम करो, तुम्हें भीख का खाना दे देती हूँ, भीख का.
खैरात का खाना लो. तुम
हाँ,
खाओ भी.
रात का खाना. तुम मुझे बार बार एडवाइस क्या देने आ जाती हो भाई?
Oh my
Oh my
god.
god.
What is going on in lockup? Guys, I'm hooked. I am hooked. I
This girl
think
indeed is hooked. This girl, Poona, might tell you guys, I'm not as hooked. Like, I am watching it, but I'm not as hooked because I have this K drama going all ek saath, hometown cha
yeah.
cha. But like, Poonam is like, fill me up. Tell me, fill me up. Bhai chi, sorry. Fill me in. Come on.
Oh my god. Okay. So firstly, guys, I mean I was very against of starting lockup. So lockup started back in June. I was very against of it, but I was enjoying the reels that were coming out of it. And I remember I told my best friend that listen, will you judge me if I start watching lockup?
That's the same question I asked you before I started watching Splitsvilla.
Let's
And
be
you told
like
me, Muskan, Splitsvilla. Now you are only watching that Yogi Tara and Akku Tara there, okay?
full circle moment, guys.
हाँ नहीं तो.
Yeah, I did judge her. I told her on her face that Muskan, I'm judging you, okay?
हाँ, अक्की तारो योगी तारो हो गया तुम्हारा ढोली तारो, हाँ नहीं तो.
So I was against it, but then I was enjoying it. So I asked you also, na, that I so want to watch it, but then I'm
हाँ.
holding myself that no, this brain rot content I cannot be consuming so much. One fine day, I think in July, I thought of going in. I said, let's just dive in. Let's see. If I don't like it, I don't like it. I'll withdraw myself from there. But game ulta ho gaya.
Uno reverse हो गया.
I love it so much. At this point I hate Shilpa. I hate Shreya.
सही में शिल्पा शिंदे तो I also don't like भाई. She's so weird. She's been making so weird comments.
She slut shamed Shivangi bhai. So
भाई
anyway,
शिवांगी हर्षद का तो कहीं नेटफ्लिक्स देखते देखते स्टार प्लस पे तो नहीं आ गई मैं ये
ये
रिश्ता क्या.
क्या
I'm dancing, bro.
Bye. So basically, guys, I am pretty sure that everyone is watching Lockup. You know, the last Sunday I went to meet my friend in Noida.
Hmm.
So there's 1.5 hours each side of metro I had to travel.
Hmm.
All the baddies that was sitting beside me, every
What?
one of them watching Lockup.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
First, in our rectangle screen, we were logged in.
Watching Lockup. Piper, something about reality shows this year, yeah. Something starting, and I think we cannot deny the fact that the hype for all of it started with Splitsvilla, especially with that Akansha Yogesh Ruru triangle, and then
Yeah.
how it plunged to Lockup, and I think there's something Alliance also coming, and now what's coming up?
Traitor 2!
Rise and Shine. It's time.
Okay.
Oof.
Just before we started, I texted my friend and I told her. So she took Prime, okay, and I
Hmm.
think she took it a week back. So
Hmm.
she said that you can watch whatever you want. So I remember the off campus is in Prime. So I was like, okay, I'll watch it.
Stop. What?
I knew this reaction will come up.
What?
Yes, Muskan, I'll start watching off campus.
Tell me when you start watching. I'll also start.
For what? 100 times?
Yeah. I think it's been my 31st watch. Yeah.
Stop it.
Yeah. It's so small. Yeah, just one, hardly 6, 7 episodes. I don't know. मैं बता रही हूँ ना, I've lost the count of episodes because for me now it ends and then it starts again. So I literally had to push myself to, oh, by the, I've healed so much that my Korean side has come back. Yesterday I sent again a dancing reel, a dancing snap to our friend, the one who lives overseas, because clearly Poonam's not on Snapchat. Okay, guys, she's not on Snapchat.
No, you search my profile, you'll find it.
I can find you, but wait, hold up.
It's just that the app doesn't exist in my phone.
Yeah, that's what I thought. कि अरे वो profile तो दिख रहा है. Then she there. But yeah, I sent her that, and उसमें I was dancing on the song of Blackpink, and I'm texting. He healed so hard that my Korean side came back. I literally had to force myself कि now I'll start watching something else. And then whenever I switch to Lockup, I'm instantly going back to off campus. Instantly. Because Lockup 1 hour, 1.5 hour, you can finish off. And then you wait for the next episode. I started this new K-drama, but now you have like just put it in my head, yeah, Poonam.
I mean, I haven't watched Stranger Things for 30th time. I think I have watched the entire 5 season for maybe max to max 8th or 9th time. I
That's
think
more of an obsession,
yeah,
okay?
that's equivalent to 30th watch for off campus. I mean, we are even.
We are even. Let's go. But yeah, coming back to your great
Yes.
time session for Lockup.
Yeah, so actually, I texted her, then I told her, you took Prime in such a good timing, like such good timing you have that you have taken Prime. Then
Yeah.
she was like, for what? I
Yeah.
said, Traitor 2 is coming. This year, I have seen actually my reality show side.
Okay.
Yes, I've been watching reality shows so much. First, this Desi Bling I have seen.
Yeah. Oh my God. Your last straw, I tell you.
Yeah, next Lockup. Next will be
Traitor.
Traitor 2.
And then will come the OG Big Boss, Big Boss, Big Boss. Oh my God, last year's Big Boss season was so epic. And that time, to Poonam and I used to work together. I mean, we still work together, but we used to work in that company where we were there. Oh my God. And then I used to tell her every morning that this happened, this happened.
Yeah.
Like, she's like, go discuss with the other one. She sees, don't discuss with me.
Exactly. That's the only show that I don't watch. Because I don't know why I just don't like. Maybe it's because of Salman Khan. Salman Bhai.
Salmon Bhai, but back in the days, I was in 10th class. So September May on MTV, there's one proper reality show that used to come. It was called India's Next Top Model. Have you heard of it?
Watched it.
Sakshi?
Yeah, I know.
Bhai, so cool. It was so cool, Bhai. It was so cool.
I used to love that.
Especially, I
Have
loved
you
the
watched
season
like,
1.
has MTV been a large part of your childhood?
I can't say large part of my childhood because I did not like watch roadies and all. I did not watch Splitsvilla back then, but I definitely used to watch this India's Next Top Model. A large part of my childhood, in fact, was VH.
Yeah, that's where the age gap comes.
Wow, what did you watch on MTV?
A lot of things. So starting off with emotional atyachar, then how to steal your girlfriend. Then there's this shows, I think daily soap shows called Humse Hai Life. Then
Yeah,
Diva
yeah, yeah, yeah. The buddy project.
Study Project. There was one modeling sort of daily soap starring Mithila Palkar, the Little Things girl.
Okay.
I forgot that name, but she comes from a small town and to Bombay, and then she interns with this whole, making it in a big city sort of esa.
Hmm.
So that genre. And then I watched Roadies. One season I have watched Roadies.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
was
One season I've also watched the Prince one. Oh
same.
my god, Poonam, we were actually living life somewhere on the same timeline, just waiting to be met.
Exactly.
Do you remember in the Prince season he won with this girl called Anuki?
Some tall, skinny girl.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And she
Yes.
couldn't even speak Hindi properly.
Yeah.
In that season, there was this guy called Dhruv.
True.
Yeah, I don't remember his name clearly, but he and this one girl were like the OG. Oh no, wait, I have mixed Splitsvilla and Roadies. Wait,
Yeah.
sorry.
I think in that season there were Prince, then Varun Sood,
Ah,
then this one girl who had a love angle with Varun.
Varun.
I forgot.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And all of these people were in like Ranvijay's team.
Yeah, yes, yes. I forgot her name, but she used to be this chubby girl. Now she is that skinny girl. Oh my god, she has transformed so much. But now she's
Oh.
married also.
To Varun?
No, 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 to some other guy.
Oh, got it, got
वरुण
it,
का
got
बहुत
it.
कटा है भाई.
Varun one time came on the Moss Pod, right?
Yes.
Mm.
Whichever
Yeah.
girl he dated, all of them are now married.
Arre bhai, bhai, bhai.
Yeah, Divya or Vidya. Divya, I think. Divya also
Divya,
got.
Divya. Huh.
She is also married. That girl is
Yeah.
also married. I completely forgot her name. But anyway, I saw that Prince Wala Roadies. Then I watched Prince Wala Splitsvilla.
Splitsvilla and then Prince Big Boss.
Prince Wala Big
That
Boss.
that was Prince ka year, bhai.
Ay, bhai. He started by winning the Mr. Punjab ka title. Then back
Huh.
to back, bhai. Mast
Yeah, and
tha.
then he married this girl, Yuvika.
Yuvika.
She was also there on Boss.
Yes, yes. So that was my one time watch for Big Boss, Roadies, and Splitsvilla. Post that I wanted to watch this year's Splits after you have given me so much of tea, but then
Oh.
I thought that it's now too late. Catch
Hmm.
up on everything, so I dropped it.
Yeah, I mean this year's Splitsvilla was crazy because it was also Urfi. Because
Yes.
there's Sunny, she's always like, वो तेरी बांदी को बोल रहा है तू कर चुप हो जा तुमको पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी तक जाना है एंड प्रूव योर लव योगेश चुप हो जा वो तेरी बांदी को बोल रहा है कुछ नहीं बोल
Stand Neelit.
oh my god
Meme, this reel is going on na, that from this one clip from Splitsvilla where Sunny is saying he doesn't take stand for you, and as a Yogesh and Kangsha were sitting next to each other. Cut to Lockup where he is taking solid stand for her, and then people were like, "Get them married already."
Yeah, I mean crazy only, bhai, crazy only. All this Akansha and Yogesh have really made a career out of each other, and in fact, all the people in Splitsvilla this year have made a great career. I would say one of them though is like being invited to private gigs in Melbourne, Sydney.
Who?
Gullu.
Who's Gullu?
Yeah, Gullu. He was the winner of Roadies and the winner of Splitsvilla.
Oh,
Yeah.
I know this too. That Saurav and क्या
Niharika.
निहारिका मैं तो देखे देखे शीशा शर्माती
Yeah, I got to know about all these stuff from. I still feel a little cringe, but what a guilt watch it was. I mean, the cringe guilt watch it was at you.
but with Lockup there's no guilt in me, I'm fully
Huh.
into it.
Yeah.
fully committed. So yeah, I mean, what do I even talk about that show? Everybody is watching it,
Hmm.
and it's crazy. It's one of the craziest show. Ekta Kapoor has cooked up with the
Hmm.
casting for sure because
Yeah.
she has gotten the most iconic character pieces from the entire pan India.
Yeah,
Some of
yeah,
them
like the
were good.
madness of multiverse for real.
Yeah, some of them were boring. I think they are right now terminated. But
Hmm.
whoever in the house all have unique characteristics.
Hmm.
And I hate one. Actually, I don't hate Shilpa and Shreya that much because they are playing a game. I understand their game. Their gameplay is this only to fight and get the reaction from
Footage.
other. हाँ,
Hmm.
get the reaction from other, and then you और डालो मतलब उस पे छिड़को that आग जलाओ types. These two are like that. One contestant, she has
I know, I know. Let's say
who?
it together. Three, two, one. Ram Kapoor.
No,
Then,
I don't know why, but I knew you would take his name.
then why? Which one is yours? Harshad.
Chamola. Oh
Acha.
my god, she's been icking me so much. That day at night, I was watching that gang leader wala task between her and Shivangi.
Hmm.
She's useless in that task. At
She's
12
useless anyway.
a.m., I was screaming at the top of my voice that क्या कर रही है आकांक्षा निकल यहाँ से तू खड़ी क्यों है तू कर कुछ
Uh,
oh my god, she was doing nothing. वो अपने hands ऐसे fold करके she was standing there. She had given zero fucks to that task, and as a result, she lost. Shivangi did well. She won the task. She became the gang leader.
leader.
She made sure everybody in her gang was secure and not at risk
Hmm.
because of Chamola. All the contestant in her gang were at risk.
Yeah. Shreya's, no, no, Shreya's in Rebel Gang.
Yeah, that happened afterwards.
Yeah.
So that this whole twist is happening, like kahi se bhi twist aa jata hai. That's my favorite part.
Wow. But what, you know what struck me?
Yeah.
I want to wear his initial on a chain round my neck, chain round my neck, not because he owes me, but
AA.
because he knows me. The AA is having me, uh-huh.
Apurva and Amin.
Say it out loud.
Apurva and Amin.
Oh my god, my entire neighborhood heard that. I mean, in the last pod, he was like, for me, तो ऐसा lockup से ज़्यादा ऐसा मेरा emotional connection is with the RJ Gad pod ना.
Yeah.
So in the last episode, he was like that only. I'm too fully invested in lockup. I'm so excited for what's to come. I'm so excited for what's to come. And then there comes Apurva Shreya Kadoti. Sorry, bolo. See,
Apurva is not a wild card entry, by the way.
yeah, informer, no?
As an informer, so she'll go out of the show in I think one or two episodes. And the best part, and I cannot believe myself that I will say, because guys, you if you have not heard our Splitsvilla episode, please go and just watch whatever we have said about Yogesh. And
Link in description.
yeah, I quote myself. Okay, I did tell Muskan that इस चोमू के लिए दो लड़कियां लड़ रहे थे.
हाँ भाई.
Today I'm excited because there are rumors that Bell will bring back Yogesh.
Oh my god. But
Yes.
Yogesh is a good player. Nobody can deny the fact that he's a good player. He was a good player in Rhodey's. He was a good player in Splitsvilla. उस बेचारे का कट्टा कहाँ बंदियों के बीच में. And now that everybody is saying that with Ruru it was all staged in Splitsvilla. So it's good that it's gotten back so nicely in with Kancha here in Law. And how Laila's just been a good friend to the
Oh my god, Lela and Yogesh's friendship was quoted. My god.
Yeah. Bring back
Actually,
Yogesh,
yeah,
yeah, for real.
because his termination was not fair at all. When that task was given regarding dependent and control, so Madhuri ji and Yogesh were a partner, and both of them mutually. Actually, Yogesh only convinced her that okay, you become the controller. Maybe I will get angry at some point, and maybe I'll say something, so you can control me in that manner. And that was his bad move because Madhuri ji, all the tasks that were given to them were played by the controller. So controller had the power to save their dependent, and Madhuri ji couldn't save Yogesh. And
Yogesh, yeah.
as a result, there was one of the tasks wherein Madhuri ji only gotten herself in the
Terminated.
at risk situation.
And then Akansha stayed and then Madhuri Madhuri ji had to go.
Yes. So when Madhuri ji got terminated, Vish became that one dependent without a controller. So
Control.
directly Judgment Day पे डाल दिया था. So he couldn't perform any task post that. He couldn't perform the crackdown. He couldn't perform anything. He couldn't even pitch himself. That okay, not as. And Shreya and Shilpa were hell bent on getting him terminated because the choice was between Sufi and Yogesh, and
Yeah, they would all anyways want to put the stronger one out.
exactly. So
Yeah.
they were like, let's get Yogesh terminated because I see a competition in him and
श्रेया,
Sufi.
shut up. श्रेया, तुम योगेश के कंपटीशन के क में भी नहीं आती हो. Shut up, okay?
That was the reason he got out without even performing, without even pitching. So that was really unfair. And when he got out, the entire comment section was like, no Yogesh, no lockup for me. I'm not watching. So
Yeah, he has this crazy fandom, bhai. Crazy
yeah.
fandom.
There are rumors now that when Apurva will go out of the lockup, she will bring back Yogesh. And if that is true,
That'll be so funny.
भाई जो वो मारेगा ना श्रेया और शिल्पा का, my god.
I know, but that'll be also so funny because Apurva has totally made this video where she's like, ये क्या कुदा रही होगी तरह चल रहा है, and now she's been good with Akansha here. The thing with Akansha is वो फालतू पंगे नहीं ले रही है, and Apurva, I'll be very honest, don't get me wrong, I feel Apurva is too big for this show. She like works with Flame.
Exactly.
So that was so pretty clear that bringing her in would be a sort of partiality towards her, क्योंकि वही ले जाएगी भाई, अगर audience vote हो गया या whatever तो वही ले जाएगी.
Exactly. And that's something it shows. There were one spat between Shreya and Apurva, and of course Apurva is instigating everyone.
Yeah,
and I think that is her task.
job.
To instigate everyone, to get everyone react and talk. And she's so damn right on one thing, that the boys in this house, they don't say anything, they just enjoy the fight between the women, which is so bad. They should also talk. And then she pointed Dheeraj that Dheeraj आप कब बात करोगे शो से निकलने के बाद.
Yeah, Dheeraj to nowhere is visible, no?
Yes.
At
it's
least
not
Harshad's visible out of Shivangi.
Exactly. There was this one spat between Shreya and Apurva, and Sufi and Akanksha, not Chamola, Akanksha, they were Chaudhary, and Akanksha said that I feel this whole situation is staged a little. Sufi rightly said, and of course, because Sufi is the only person who knows Apurva.
In and out, yeah.
Sufi was like, Shreya kabhi bhi bhidegi nahi Apurva se, because she knows she can't stand there, and वो तो उससे भिड़ेगी नहीं, वो ट्राई कर रही है कि वो उससे दोस्ती कर ले. तो आकांक्षा दैट टाइम शी सेड कि हाँ वो तो अपनी उसकी चेली बन के घूम रही है
पूरे घर में.
हाँ, that shows that Apurva is too big for this show, and
show itself, yeah.
I
But
mean,
yeah, she's made Shreya.
she made Shilpa cry.
That's great. Even Shivangi went all in. She was like, तुम्हें गंदी इंसान हो, बताओ तुम्हें क्यों उस जॉब से निकाला है. But it was fun.
Yeah, I like it.
Wow, we really gossiped. We just gossiped the entire series. That's cute of us.
Yes, I'm just waiting. Yesterday, I think I started, 5 days or 6 weeks when I've started. Yesterday, I finished all 23 episodes. I was binge. Yes, the duration of each episode was 1 hour.
1 hour, 15 minutes sometimes it stretches.
And I was binge watching. I was watching Lockup in Office also.
She literally sent me this voice note. Arya, I'm to watching Lockup in Office. है ना? हाँ मुस्कान, ठीक है. हाँ मुस्कान, will record it. But I'm watching अभी Lockup. हाँ 5-6 times she's like, I'm watching Lockup. हाँ. I mean this week has been like very on the contrary for both of us. This week she's been into Lockup and KPIs, marketing, AI. For me, I have been on the slow K drama and then going back again to off campus. And then for me, so this week has been very relaxing. I was on an outdoor stay, so it was I was very far from KPIs and AI and Claude and Codex. I was very far. I was having Dalgona coffee made at night and then brewed in the morning, baking cakes at 11 in the night, listening to gossips of 11-year-old kids. And now I have some issues with some.
Oh my god, crazy only.
We've lived quite a contrary week.
Yeah.
But the one thing that that united both of us today
Yeah.
was our common reaction to when we saw that something is distributed and produced and whatever manufactured in New York. And the both of us were like, guys, right before the pod, and I kid you not, right before the pod. So I got gifted something, and it was actually manufactured, distributed in the States, and it was clearly in New York.
Mm.
Leave alone the product, leave alone the brand or whatever it is. When I received today morning, I was so going gaga, and then nobody understood why am I and what am I going gaga over. I come to the pod, I mean pre-recording pod, and I show this to her, and I'm also blushing. She's also blushing. We're just blushing because we ride somewhere New York that has like come to us.
Yeah.
Cut to Poonam also finding a sticker related to New York, and then we're blushing more. God.
I think we were talking about New York and Bombay and some question or something. I think you asked or I asked. I forgot the exact moment where we have given exactly the same
Same
reaction,
answer.
looking at each other.
Yeah, so I remember. So, okay, I'll stage this for you guys. We were in the balcony, there's coffee, there's pani, the morning scenes over, and then I've received this lotion, and it's like made in New York or what. And then I look at Poonam, she also figures out that she has found something today that's New York. And then we look at each other and I think we simply asked this. I know I'm smiling now also. I think I asked her, she asked something like, bahut jald. Something like that we said, and both of us were blushing. We're like, no man could ever. I'm
Touch
still
it.
blushing.
I went back to that zone only.
Yeah. तूने तो बल Wow.
Then we connected this whole scenario with this reel.
Yeah, that one. You know, guys, let's say Poonam is the daughter, I'm the mother. We have reversed roles suddenly. I'm like,
Yeah.
तुझे तो तेरा पति ही सुधारेगा.
चलो मम्मी कुछ भी मत बोलो ऐसे.
Katu.
I open the fridge and then I'm like, तूने तो.
Sometimes you understand. I don't know. We are so giggly and I love.
Oh my god. I think more than people like outside of us and our circle, these two cities which gets the best reaction from us. One
Yeah,
is
exactly.
Bombay, another one is New York, and Bombay is done. I mean, not done. We went there together one time. That is done. There were more times to come for sure, but New York is coming up.
It's coming. Yeah, I know. What did I say? So I remember why we started blushing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I told Poonam that in the Nykaa Hot Pink sale, I got this thing for Nykaa tha. And then after sale, I got this, and I've also got the Laneige ka face wash. It's got this, that, this. And she's like, कुछ महंगा purchase है. And then I tell her, Milk, this brand is also. She's like, कुछ महंगा purchase करते हैं. कुछ महंगा purchase. And then I tell her, tickets to New York. We both blush. No blushing.
I know. Oh my god.
Oh my god. I think this is just our cue. Love you, baby. See you all in New York.
Oh my god. Stop it.
See you all in New York very soon, mommy.
Bye.
Bye. Good morning, New York. You get that reel?
No, I get that reel. You and me, New York, together.
The cold ice cream. Okay, bye. Love you guys.
Bye.
Mm. And who am I? That's one secret I'll never tell. You know you love me. XOXO. Gossip Girl.